Hey guys, what's up? So 2 minutes on the top is Richie's Virus 11, 12, 13, 14. The first one is called with the Suit 2 for WhatsApp. Compiled with iOS 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This week, what to do will make WhatsApp easier and simpler to use, allowing you to change every part of the app to satisfy your needs. So these are some of the features you guys can get for WhatsApp using this tweak. This is also a control center toggle. Download CC support package and activate it from the control center settings. And it supports these languages. This is called what to do tools and library for what to do and WhatsApp tweets. This is called IP internal address. Show IP address as internal text on the lock screen. Next is called App Store++, lets you downgrade or upgrade apps in the App Store, block updates, bypass 200 MB down limit, disable search ads, and app thinning. Supports iOS 11.s 13.5, and the newest update fixed an issue with downgrading failed, and they're actually testing ads so he can support the $55 a month to maintain this tweak. This is called Cocoa Top 64 GUI process viewer for iOS 10 to 13, compatible with 64-bit devices. App added to the home screen. So with this, you can tell basically how much, GUI each one uses. So which means that how much battery it's, the more GUI, the more battery it's basically taken, and the quicker it's using up your battery. This is called Nav Away, and hides the navigation bar in the toolbar when swiping the side scroll views. Configured app using these settings made for tweak bounty. Should work on iOS 9 and up. And the last tweak is called Speak Notification, and with iOS 7.13, it's an ultimate notification, more speak experience. With this, with Speak Notification, your device will allow you to announce any incoming notification in a fully customized way. You can listen to and receive messages, emails, Facebook posts, you can send invitations, or even speak out your incoming calls without touching your device. You can customize the announce message any way you want. Create your own message with variables, which will be placed in real time with notification title, subtitle, message, or app name, which caused by a notification. So choose from many speak conditions, including these right here. So you can also use the features like current speak time at a chosen time interval, or battery speak at a chosen battery level interval. So the announcements, calls, and yeah, pretty cool. I'll catch you guys next one. And thanks for watching, and peace.